In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. Whether you're organizing a recurring event or replicating a successful project template, duplicating a project in Asana can save you time and effort, allowing you to stay focused on the things that truly matter. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to the Asana website. Once you're logged in, your Asana homepage will display all your recent projects. Here, it's all about navigating to the project you wish to duplicate. Click on the project, and that will open its detailed view. Now, at the top of the project page, you'll notice an Actions drop-down menu. Clicking on this menu will reveal a list of options you can perform within the project. Look for the Duplicate option and select it. When you click on Duplicate, a new window will pop up, allowing you to customize your duplicate project. You'll want to start by giving your duplicate project a unique name. This part is essential for distinguishing your duplicated project from the original one, so take a moment to think of a name that makes clear what the new project is about. Next on the list is configuring your new project with any specific details you require. This might involve adjusting deadlines, changing team members, or updating objectives. Essentially, it's all about customizing your new project to ensure it aligns perfectly with your goals or upcoming tasks. After setting the project details, you'll need to decide which project tabs to include in your duplicate. Project tabs might include sections like Overview, Timeline, or other custom tabs you've set up in your original project. Be sure to carefully select the tabs that are relevant to your objectives for the duplicate. Including unnecessary tabs could lead to clutter, so it's worth taking a little extra time to choose wisely. Following this, it's time to specify which task details need to be carried over. Task details can encompass descriptions, assignees, due dates, and even attached files. Again, the key here is to include only what's necessary to avoid clutter or confusion in your new project. You don't want extra details that don't pertain to your new project's goals. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Duplicate Project button. This final action will create a complete duplicate of your selected project, inclusive of all the specified details. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a project in Asana, ready for your next venture. Keep in mind, duplicating projects not only helps maintain consistency, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing for more productive management of tasks and responsibilities. Thank you for watching. Be sure to revisit this guide whenever you need to replicate a project, and don't forget to subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.